Unlock the immense power of DeepSeek R1 within the seamless Olama ecosystem to supercharge your AI projects. First, ensure you have Olama installed and running on your system. Then, navigate over to your Olama interface. You'll want to add the DeepSeek R1 model to your available models. Think of this as bringing a new, powerful tool into your AI workshop. Within Olama, you'll find an option to browse and download models. Search for DeepSeek R1. And once you locate it, initiate the download. This process might take a few moments as the model files are transferred. Once the download is complete, the DeepSeek R1 model will be readily available for use within Olama. Now, to activate DeepSeek R1 for your interactions, locate the model selection area within your Olama chat or direct integration interface. Simply choose DeepSeek R1 from the list of your downloaded models. This integration allows DeepSeek R1's advanced reasoning and comprehension abilities to be directly leveraged, whether you're crafting complex prompts or seeking nuanced answers. DeepSeek R1 within Olama opens up a new dimension of AI functionality. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated and configured DeepSeek R1 with Olama, expanding your AI's potential for innovation. Happy building.